If you are a software engineer in your first job, listen carefully. The next 5 years will decide whether you struggle for the next 30 or whether your career compounds faster than you ever imagined. And no, it has nothing to do with your college degree or starting salary. Today, freshers are sold a dream. Get a 20 LPA package straight out of college. If your salary is low, you are a failure. Let me be very clear, this is the wrong direction. Your first job is not for lifestyle, it is for learning how the real world works. Salary is just a number. Skills, exposure, and decision making ability, that's the real currency. People say, don't work extra hours, you're being exploited. But here's the reality no one tells you. In your early career, extra hours are not labor, they are investment. Every extra hour debugging code, fixing production issues, and understanding systems is knowledge being stored in your brain. That knowledge compounds for decades. Don't just write code that works. Understand why it works, how systems scale, how APIs fail, how databases behave under load. This understanding separates average engineers from leaders. Real software engineering is messy, unclear requirements, production bugs at midnight. Learn how to stay calm and solve problems. This skill pays more than any framework. If you chase salary in your first 3 to 5 years, you will cap your future. Instead, chase better projects and tougher problems. Salary will automatically chase you later. So, if you're tired today, remember you're not wasting time, you're building leverage. Don't measure success by salary in year one. Measure it by how dangerous you are in your skills by year 5.